What up guys, I go by the name Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to scalp EURYEN on a 5 minutes time frame. First position, second position, there we go. I'm going to be placing my take profit at a price where the banks, the hedge funds, top 5% and insurance companies are going to be taking the market to in a bit. There we go. I'm going to take a second off. Yeah, whoa. There it is, guys. Take profit hit in less than 40 seconds. This is too easy. The EURYEN is currently consolidating, so I've been able to take some buy and sell trades, and yeah, I've been leaving the market with profits. I do not use indicators, robots, or any retail trading methods that you guys use to approach the market, which is why 95% of you guys fail. I must have probably said this before, but I'll mention it again because it is very important. Focus on one currency pair. You can see it. It's right in front of you. One currency pair is more than enough to make you enough money trading the Forex market. I focus on only one currency pair and I execute my trades on one time frame. And I mostly trade on my laptop, so it's not like I'm looking at the market from 3 or 4 monitors. Simplifying my approach of the market is actually evidently effective. This is probably my 8th trade for today. Take profit hit time after time. I left the market with close to $100 in less than 30 seconds. This strategy is precise and it is specific and it is very, very effective and consistent. So apparently I know something that 95% of you guys do not know, and the 5% that have access to this kind of knowledge are not going to share it with anyone. As a matter of fact, they do not care about your losses. They do not care about you blowing your account. Some of the top 5% are hedge fund traders in London, in New York, and different parts of the world that hide their identity. At least I am here showing you guys how it is done, and these videos are here. They're going to be here forever. You can keep watching them till you figure out how to trade like the banks. And the great thing is that if you can figure this out, you'll be on your way to making money consistently for the rest of your life. Clean sign out from Dubai. Over close to $100 made in less than 60 seconds. Looking at the market like the banks and understanding the true nature of the Forex market. Like, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, trade safely.